Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinka's channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the OSPPREARM run as administrator not working issue and how to resolve the Microsoft Office product activation failed error. And now let's get started. First, go ahead and open the OSPPREARM folder and copy its path. After that, open Command Prompt by right-clicking on it and choosing Run as Administrator. Once the Command Prompt window is open, type cd, add a space, and then paste the folder path you copied earlier. When that's done, type csscript ospp.vbs/dstatus to check your current activation status. Finally, type OSPPREARM, add a space, and paste your SKU ID. Press enter and the process will complete. I hope this video tutorial helps you fix the issue. Please hit that like button, and subscribing to the channel would be a massive help to us. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.